the most underappreciated and underdeveloped leadership skill, often the most overlooked, is the ability to regulate one's emotions. I believe that the ability to regulate your emotional state is the foundational skill that every other leadership skill is built on, whether it's strategic thinking, whether it's sound judgment, whether it's effective communication, whether it's delegation. And the reason why it's so foundational is because when you are in a heightened emotional state, you're essentially going on your stress response, right? What happens is your ability to think clearly diminishes. You're more on a reaction-based mode versus a sound judgment, clear thinking mode. And when you're in that situation, you don't do what you know that you should do. You end up doing what your body is used to, or what you've essentially trained yourself to up until that point. And unless you have really practiced all the really good skills and tactics and clear thinking and effective communication tools and tactics that you know you should know, they're not going to be recruited when you are under stress. And the most effective way to regulate your emotional state in the moment is through breathing. Breathe in twice through your nose and long out through the mouth. And what that does is it signals to your nervous system to move into more of a relaxed state, to move away from a high alert, survival-based state into one where you're able to think more clearly and more effectively. So if you're going to develop one fundamental leadership capability in the next week, next month, let it be your ability to regulate your emotional state. And the fastest way to do that is through just simply reminding yourself to breathe. 2 in through the nose, 1 long out of the mouth, over and over and over as you calm yourself down. Good luck.